Random acts of kindness. There is nothing more heartwarming than seeing people be kind towards one another. Unfortunately, values such as kindness have become extremely rare these days. So here's a compilation of random acts of kindness done by strangers, sure to make your day. Make sure to comment on which one touched your heart the most at the end. Strangers band together to save a falling cat. To tell the story, a cat fell down a ledge and survived during a Miami hurricane smash in Florida. This was shot in a viral video. The cat fell from Hard Rock Stadium's upper floors after his paw caught in the net. Fortunately for the feline, the football fans at the stadium used the American flag as a safety net to save the cat when it let go of its foothold to free fall. First, the cat bounced off the American flag and landed in the section where the University of Miami flag was being prepared. The strange but coordinated rescue led to the cheers of the masses from the crowd. Craig Krumer, the facility manager at the University of Miami, was one of the people who used the flag to save the cat. Hard Rock Stadium later shared a statement ensuring that the cat was unharmed and was healthy. Due to the heads-up nature of the fans in section 107, 110, and 208, we are pleased that the cat landed safely after a tragic fall, the stadium wrote on Twitter. Everyone jokingly remarked that the cat now has 8 lives left. Hard Rock Stadium also added that it donated to the Humane Society in Miami after the incident, as the wholesomeness of the act was enough to tug their heartstrings. This was not just a display of kindness, but also quick thinking and teamwork. Boy saves his sister from being kidnapped. An 8-year-old Ohio boy is called a hero after saving himself and his sister from an attempted kidnapping. This horrific incident took place in Middletown. The boy and his sister were in backseat of their grandmother's car. Her grandmother got out of her car to help a woman go to the emergency room. About 10 seconds later, a man jumped into the driver's seat and drove the car. The boy opened the door to escape and jumped out, but the man grabbed the girl's hoodie and didn't allow her to leave, the Middletown police wrote on a Facebook page. So when the girl tried to escape the kidnapper, the man did not let her go. It is beautiful how the boy was already away from danger, yet he stayed behind to pull his sister to safety. A security video showed the children running away from the car and the grandmother desperately trying to save them. In the video, you can see the car moving from the entrance to the emergency room. The grandmother runs towards the car when the children fall from the passenger side. They try to grab the door on the driver's side of the car. Soon afterward, 2 officers saw the vehicle and stopped and arrested the driver. Dalveer Singh, the man behind the crime, was charged with kidnapping, assault, and grand theft auto, police said. The police had nothing but praise for the bravery of the boy. They agreed that he was nothing short of a hero. He pulled his sister out of the car without worrying about his safety. That's unbelievable at his age. And a great job by our officers to find the suspect and deal with him without incident. I'm very proud of their job. Middleton police said they would award the boy for his heroic behavior. A man invites an entire city to his wedding out of gratitude. Shahzeb Anwar is the only thing in Birmingham, Alabama, and Pakistan have in common. He left his home country for an important surgery in the United States and found more than just medical assistance. The 31-year-old found temporary housing in Birmingham and now believes that all 211,000 inhabitants of the city are part of his family. So he invited his family to his special day. This heartwarming story sets its root in Pakistan. Anwar, who has been suffering from kidney stones for a year or two, needed surgery that he felt could be the most effective and cheapest at UAB Hospital in Birmingham. Having never heard of this city or state, Anwar started his homework. First, he started researching the hospital and the country, such as what he should wear in the locality, where he should stay, etc. Posting to a small Reddit group in Magic City, Anwar immediately faced Southern hospitality. People reacted in ways I didn't expect, even from my people in Pakistan, he told CBS. People in the Reddit thread began cheering him on, and made recommendations to make his trip or stay easier by ensuring he traveled to a particular location. Andrew Harris, one resident of Birmingham, drove him to dinner and confirmed that he had tried as many dishes from other countries as possible. Then, after a successful operation, Anwar went back to Pakistan, wherein he posted an invite to his wedding to the entire Reddit group who helped him. News reporters save a baby dolphin. Reporters tend to stay close to their main story, but when a baby dolphin needed help, one reporter was on the field to get the job done. NBC News reporter Carrie Sanders helped save and protect the lives of baby dolphins stranded on the coast during a storm surge caused by Hurricane Irma. Sanders' rescue attempt was broadcasted live. It is reported that locals have returned the dolphins to the beach after they were found washed up on the sidewalk. Sanders report that the waves are 4 feet in size, enough to disrupt inland wildlife. After finding an exhausted dolphin on the beach, Sanders worked with passing tourists to help return it to the Gulf of Mexico. The baby dolphin, which was found to be quite heavy for 2 adult males to bring back to the sea, was taken care of. It wasn't an easy hurdle for the tired baby dolphin. However, the pair took about 10 to 15 minutes to get into the water deep enough for the dolphins to establish an auxiliary swimming exercise. Sanders stood on the bank and cheered for the dolphins. "Come to buddy, and you can do it!" He cheers. It's a fight. I see him trying. He really wants to make it there, but he's very confused. Sanders encountered several other dolphins on the beach. Among them were 2 adults who needed to help a group of Florida residents rescue him. People pointed out Sanders' long career in hurricane reports and the fact that he was previously part of a dolphin rescue story. Coincidentally, he knew how to stop the rescue. Mailman and a little boy have an unbreakable bond. Some kids dream of becoming Spider-Man or Batman, but 4-year-old Carter Lawson has another hero in mind, a mail carrier. Carter promptly stands by the window in Knoxville every day to meet Mike Clanshaw, simply known as Postman Mike. Postman Mike was overjoyed when Carter greeted him daily and invited him to visit the United States Postal Service's sorting center in Knoxville. "I have to get the mini mail carrier ready," he said. As they work together, Clanshaw checks his little mail carrier to make sure his enthusiasm for work is always present. "You don't throw mail," said the mailman when the boy threw a crate in the air. "You're going to get us fired," he said jokingly. "What's fired means?" he asked in reply. For Crenshaw, the friendship with a 4-year-old is unusual, but it's something he wouldn't exchange for anything else. "We just hit it off," he said. "You never know who you're gonna become friends with. It could be a 4-year-old child or a 94-year-old man." Carter's mom says that a few minutes of kindness makes a difference to him daily. Carter's mother, Kathy Lawson, said, "I'm not a celebrity, I'm not a pop star, so I think it's really cute. It's your average guy who does like a normal job." Do you find these heartwarmings? Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more.